All right. Welcome back. In this problem, we're going to find the area of the blue square. We have a square inside of a quarter of a circle. The radius of the circle is going to be 10 units. All right, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line segment from this vertex, bisecting the 90-degree angle, which is also going to bisect this quarter of a circle. Okay, there's our line. Each side of the square is going to be x. So the area of the square is going to be side squared, so it's going to be x squared. And that's how we're going to find the area of a square. So now what we're going to talk about is the fact that this line came down and bisect this angle. That makes this a 45-degree angle. This side over here is 45 degrees. This segment is going to be perpendicular to the side of the square, and that's 45 degrees. That makes this angle over here 45 degrees, which makes it an isosceles right triangle, that this segment here is equal to that segment right there. Now, this segment of the square is going to be bisected by that segment here, so that length just in here is going to be x divided by 2. So this here is going to be x divided by 2. This segment here is going to be x divided by 2. This segment right here is going to be x divided by 2. This segment coming down between here and here is going to be the same as the side of a square, which is x. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a couple other segments in there, and I'm going to make a right triangle. All right, so now I have this right triangle. Okay, and on that right triangle, my hypotenuse is going to be 10, the same as the radius of the circle. That's the hypotenuse. This length here is going to be x divided by 2. And this side over here is going to be x plus this length here, which is x divided by 2. So x plus x divided by 2 is going to be 2x over 2 plus x over 2, which is going to equal 3x over 2. So this here is going to be 3x over 2. Now what we're going to try to do is the Pythagorean theorem. Leg squared plus leg squared is equal to the hypotenuse squared. So one leg is going to be x over 2 squared plus the other leg, which is 3x over 2 squared, equals the hypotenuse squared. So x over 2 squared is going to be x squared over 4. 3x over 2 squared is going to be 9x squared over 4. 10 squared is going to be 100. 1x squared plus 9x squared is going to be 10x squared over 4 equals 100. We're going to times both sides by 4, so we're going to have 10x squared equals 400. Then we're going to divide both sides by 10, and we're going to end up with x squared is equal to 40. And that's as far as we really need to go. We don't have to actually find the length of each side of the square, because up here we said the area of the square is going to be x squared, and right here we have x squared equals 40 units squared. So we're actually done right there. Not that it wouldn't be hard to find the side of a square. X squared equals 40, x equals the square root of 40. Take the square root of 40, x is equal to 2 root 10. Okay, but we had our answer back here. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next video.